During that same week, staff of Youth Challenge Guyana sought an audience with tax specialists from the GRA, and they were able to get a number of questions answered. This was during a workshop held for Youth Challenge Guyana at their headquarters in Campbellville. As the due date approaches for the submission of tax returns, individuals are making the necessary preparations to have the returns completed for submission to the Guyana Revenue Authority. For its part, the GRA is assisting taxpayers in equipping themselves with the required knowledge through many tax workshops conducted by the Tax Advisory Services section.
Why we would have suggested this workshop done with the women entrepreneurs that we have enrolled in our program is basically as a guideline for them, since most of them have this phobia, I should say, in terms of GRA transacting or conducting any business with GRA. They tend to think that it's all about payment and paying out taxes and all these kind of things. So what we thought it was best that GRA come and explain to them the steps that they need to take. The topics discussed included the income tax, the PAYE system, and value-added tax. The interaction between the participants and the tax specialists helped in providing clarity to some of the misconceptions about the tax laws administered by the Guyana Revenue Authority.
When you hear self-employed, you must know that each one of you that have their own business, you call yourself as a self-employed person, and you must submit your income tax returns at the end of the year. And when is income tax return due each year?
The 30th of April. This session was really informative for me because it helped me to understand there's a difference from paying VAT, and also that I need to, as a self-employed person, I also need to pay my own personal income tax. It was a bit challenging because I was unfamiliar with the two, but by the end of the session, I was able to get the relevant information that I needed.
Tax workshops are ongoing around the country for companies and individuals. Persons desirous of attending a tax workshop can contact the GRA's Tax Advisory Services section on 227-8222, extensions 1201 to 1204.